You getting in that chair? What? Mary Harper, can you come here?
Mary Harper, you want a doggy? Come on. Bella, come on.
Come on.
Can you kiss a doggy?
Hi, baby. Kiss her. Oh.
It's a good kiss.
You want to crawl up these stairs? You want to walk all the way over here? Oop. Let me tuck this in so you're not so... Okay. We're watching you. Go on up. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Hi. Careful. Look, you did it! Yay! Yay! Yeah, good job. Good job. Where are you going? Can you stand back up? I'm going to close it so you can't go down. Can you stand back up? Stand up! What do you hear down there? Stand up! Hi! Can you stand up? Mary Harper, stand up! Stand up! Can you stand up? Come on. Where's Elmo? Stand up! Can you show me Elmo? Come here. Bring me Elmo. Come here. Oh, come get Elmo. Come on. Come get him. Oh, are those your prayer beads? Can you put them on? Oh, so pretty. Yeah, that's so pretty. Can you come here? Come here. Come on. Put them on. Oh, we got a little stuck on the bow. So pretty. Careful. Careful. Okay, let me help. Okay, there we go. I think we lost some hair on that one. Come here. Come get him. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Bring me your beads. Uh-oh. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Clap, clap, clap. Yay. Where's Elmo? Can you get him? Good. Come on. Oh, he's so sweet. Give him a kiss. Good. Give him a kiss. Here you go. You want that remote? Can you say bye? Say bye. Oh, hello? 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 Say bye. Yeah? Okay. Bye, Mary Harper.